Hey, this is Ed with BlueTexInsulation.com, and I wanted to answer a question I got from a customer the other day. He said, where can I pick up your product locally, or do you sell through a distributor? And the answer is no, we do not sell through distributors. We only sell direct to the end user or to people who are in the trade like builders and contractors. So we do this for a couple of reasons. The main reason is this is the age of the internet. You don't need a distributor anymore. Typically, a distributor will take a product, mark it up about 100%, in order to cover all their expenses and make some profit. So all this really does is just drive up the cost of the product. We can sell direct to you. We can actually make a better quality product and sell it at an end lower price. So this is a win-win deal for both us and for you. Secondly, shipping. When you use a distributor, you're moving the product from point A to point B, and then when you buy from them, they're moving it from point B to your location. We sell direct. When you order online or over the phone, we typically ship out the same day and ship from our warehouse directly to your location. Shipping is usually 1 to 4 days, depending on where you are. So that makes a better quality as far as service. Finally, shipping. These rolls are big and bulky, and they cost a lot to ship. A lot of companies will just slap a label on a roll like this. You're gonna have damage every single time. We make custom boxes for all of our products to ensure no damage and maintain that top quality that you expect from our products. So this is another reason why our quality and products are so much better. As far as pricing, most of the pricing is online at BlueTexInsulation.com. If you've got a larger order, we can obviously work with you on some quantity discounts. Or if you're in the trade, you're a builder or contractor, give us a call. We can work with you on pricing for regular customers. So once again, give us a call or visit the website, BlueTexInsulation.com.